Our big game fishing is the mainly trolling fishing, and we have also casting and jigging. We use these casting rods, spinning rods, and we have also the jigging rods. This is our handline fishing item. It is very easy. This is the most easiest method of fishing and is called also traditional handline fishing. Big game fishing includes catching often this saline fish, wahoo, mahi mahi, very often dog tuna and trevally as well. Bonitos are also one of our favorite fish. During trolling fishing, we catch lots of bonitos. There are also many different people that prefer also different varieties of fishing methods. Depends the guest favorite. Yeah, we catch saline fish also last year and marlin as well. So it is but a highlight. We have many different rods and different type of casting and popping lures. We have this. This is for casting and this is for popping for trevallies and red snappers. These are special lures for red snappers. Jigging rods we have for bottom jigging, and we have trolling for saline fish, marlin, and wahoo. This kind of fishing we use. They are very nice and easy to use. In Maldives, is everywhere is the sea. The islands are very small and very weather sensitive place. The Maldives, so generally it's the monsoon season, rainy season, quite windy most of the days. But we help you to drive around the calmer areas, and we use varieties of fishing methods to catch the fish. Very high chance, we almost, we have 90% guarantee that we will catch a fish for you. We will help you using different methods and areas where they are easy to drive around and catch the fish. As a fishing expert, I will always ask you what are you are capable of doing. If you can cast these rods, I will ask you to cast these rods. Some days very calm and beautiful water, you can pop for trevallies. But if you want to be comfortable and sit on the boat and have a cup of coffee, then you can go for trolling. We can use these rods. So I will recommend if you want to sit and relax on the boat while fishing, so we will always go for big game trolling. So you will not do much activity, but just sit on the boat and lures will do the work and the boat will be driving. You will catch a lot of big fish. The highlight in the big game fishing in the Maldives is wahoo. Wahoo fish is whole year round. Big fish living near the reef areas, near the islands. Dog-toothed tunas, that is big game fishing type of fish that lives near the island areas. If you like to have any questions regarding big game fishing or fishing trips, we are here at the dive center. Come and feel free to ask more questions about fishing. Let us know. We are here to help you. Thank you very much.